Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the text background color for text boxes in your PDF documents online in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So navigate to the PDF editor you use and next look for the edit text tool at the top. Highlight the text box you would like to edit. I will go with this example one here. Double click to highlight the text. And here in that panel to the left, guys, click into color for the text. And you may use that for the text color. And if you'd like to change the background, you will need to do the following. It doesn't work like this, so we will need to change, we will need to use the highlighter tool here, or the text highlight here next to the highlighter, and use a color here. And after that, double click into the text, and that is going to change the background color. You can also change the opacity if you like. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.